Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our series on how to dress up a sheet cake, and this time with a patriotic theme for the 4th of July. So let's get started.
As always, we start out with the frosted sheet cake. You can frost it yourself, leave it in the pan and only frost the top, or you can buy it frosted. Next, we colored some buttercream blue and red. We also left some white. Then I got out 3 medium star piping tips. And I put my buttercream in piping bags using these 3 medium star tips. I start out piping a line of red stars down the side of the cake. This is really simple, just a squeeze and release. I was originally going to alternate it with a line of white, but then I decided I didn't like how busy it looked with the white stars so close to the red, and decided to only pipe red stars down the side. I like the simplicity much better. I covered all the sides with the red stripes. Next, I got out 3 different sizes of star-shaped cutters. I pressed the cutters into the white buttercream along the top. They didn't show up well on camera, but I could definitely see them. Then I piped a simple squeeze and release with the blue buttercream inside the lines of the stars. There were a lot of stars, so I'll speed it up. Finally, I piped a shell border along the edge with the white buttercream. I love the simplicity of this cake. Not very complicated to pipe, yet still clearly represents the stars and stripes. I also like that the stars on top are all different sizes. I think it adds extra interest. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake video every week. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos.